Assalamu alaikum. Hello all. Now listen to the definite article. Listen to words are made definite in Arabic by attaching to the beginning of the word. For example, al-mudarrisu. The only mudarris means a teacher. The teacher is rendered by difference is that we have attached to the noun. The definite article is always al. The definite article of lamb attached to the noun. Note that there is a spoon over the written in middle from the definite article, and that the lamb the is written in middle from lamb, like that. If a word begins with the letters or with a hamza, which ba, jim, ha, ha, ayn, rin, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, ha, waw, ya will be of lam seated on an alif. We place a spoon on the al-mudarris, uh, the definitive and the pronouns al-mudarris, al-mudarris. If a word begins with any of the rest of the letters of the alphabet, something else happens. Let's take and make it Shams, the Arabic word for sun, just as we would to Shams to Al. Definitely add any other word and we get Ashams. Ashams. Can you see what is the difference? First of all, there is no sukoon on the lamb of the second. There is a shadda over the sheen, which is the first letter of the indefinite noun. The lamb has been assimilated into the sheen and will not be pronounced consonantly as shams. It's pronounced Ashams. Ashams. In this situation, you can tell that the word is defined by the sound of the Hamza and the Fatha, and you sheen by hearing the Shadda on the Lam at all. However, the Lam will not hear the must be written. Must be written. اللام الشمسية هي التي تظهر في الكتابة ولا تظهر في النطق وتوضع شدة على الحرف الذي بعده وتأتي مع الحروف الآتية التاء الثاء دال ذال راء زين سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء لام نون. اللام القمرية، وهي تظهر في النطق وفي الكتابة، وتضبط بالسكون، وتأتي مع الحروف الآتية: الهمزة، باء، غين، حاء، جيم، كاف، واو، خاء، فاء، عين، قاف، ياء، ميم، هاء. وهذه الحروف مجموعة في جملة ابغي حجك وخف عقيمة. This group of letters is known as the sun letters, Sheen, just as them, because they all assimilated the Sheen. الشمس الشمس. The first group of letters, those Shams, thus in the word are lam, which require that a sukun be placed on the because the word known as moon letters, حروف قمرية, which it doesn't require begin with قاف. القمر القمر for moon. Lam, assimilation of the students usually back when they first learn of this phenomenon. Often they try to memorize which letters are sun letters and which are moon letters. Normally, I don't recommend that the student do so. Instead, under normal circumstances, students can learn when to assimilate the lamb and when not to be listening to the instructor, to the tapes that usually accompany the standard Arabic textbook, and by speaking Arabic in class. However, if you are reading this book, it's likely that you are not studying Arabic under normal circumstance, and you may wish to memorize the sun and the moon letters on one thing. بيت البيت قلم القلم كتاب الكتاب مسجد المسجد بيت a house البيت the house قلم a pen القلم the pen كتاب a book الكتاب the book مسجد a mosque المسجد the mosque القلم مكسور the pen is broken الباب مفتوح the door is open. Might also interest you to know that the definite article is often part of Arabic names, especially surnames. This is why you may have seen Arabic names in the newspaper beginning with al and then with a dash separating the article from the name. Since most, but not all, American journalists working in the Middle East are so unfamiliar with the language that they don't even know how to use the spelled El Sadat. Definitors they use sometimes will see names such as One Point and as Sadat. Another point when radio and television journalists read these names out loud, they don't know what to do with L. Sometimes it becomes a middle until la, as in Anwar al Sadat. Anwar al Sadat. Don't be an ignorance, like an American journalist. Learn how to pronounce the definite article. Go do the first drill at the end of the chapter now. Then come back and start reading. Thank you for all.